Script: 9 AI skills you must learn to get rich in 2025. In the next 12 months, the people earning the most money won't be programmers, marketers, or salespeople. They'll be AI power users, people who know how to use artificial intelligence to multiply their results and income. So today, I'll show you 9 AI skills that can make you rich fast, even if you're starting from zero. And the last one on this list, it's the most powerful of them all. 1. Prompt engineering, $50 to $100 an hour. Talking to AI the right way has become as valuable as learning to code was in the early 2000s. Prompt engineering means knowing how to ask questions so the AI gives you exactly what you want. Here's the secret structure. Tell it who it is. Act as a marketer. Act as a designer. Then, give it context or examples. Be specific about what you want. Research, summary, or report. And finally, tell it the format. A list, short paragraph, image, or spreadsheet. When you learn this, AI becomes a goldmine, not a guessing game. 2. AI-assisted software development, $100 to $200 an hour. You don't need to be a coder anymore. With tools like Replit, Cursor, and Retool, you can describe what you want in plain English, and AI writes the code for you. Find a real problem, ask AI to teach you step by step, and start building. Anyone can now create apps and sell them. 3. AI design, $100 to $200 an hour. Design used to be about skill, now it's about imagination. Tools like Midjourney and DALL-E create photorealistic images, Photoshop AI and Topaz can enhance pictures, and Figma AI or Reloom.io can design entire websites for you. If you can imagine it, AI can make it. 4. AI video editing, $100 to $200 an hour. AI can now edit videos in minutes, cutting silences, improving audio, and creating viral clips. You can use Firecut or Opus for short-form videos, and Synthesia or Vidyard to generate realistic AI avatars or voice clones. Now, creativity matters more than technical skill. 5. AI writing, $100 to $200 an hour. Writing isn't just about words anymore, it's about ideas. AI helps you summarize, brainstorm, and write in your tone or your client's voice. Use it to extract insights, generate content ideas, and create polished copy. Writers who use AI become creative directors, not just typists. 6. AI content marketing, $200 to $300 an hour. Did you know Arnold Schwarzenegger's Pump Club podcast and newsletter are powered by AI? AI systems write, record, and publish everything for him. You can build the same kind of system, plan your content, create it with AI, then repurpose one video or podcast into dozens of social posts. This is how modern media brands run on autopilot. 7. No-code AI automation, $300 to $400 an hour. Businesses lose time and money on repetitive tasks. You can fix that using tools like Zapier, Make.com, and Gumloop. Find where companies waste time, automate the process, and save them money. Automation doesn't replace people. It makes them more valuable. 8. AI data analysis, $300 to $400 an hour. Every company has data, but most don't know how to use it. AI can clean, connect, and analyze data to find patterns that increase profit. If you can turn data into smart business decisions, you'll always be in demand. 9. AI agent development, $400 to $500 an hour. This is the future, and the highest paying skill. AI agents are like digital employees that work 24/7 without breaks. They can qualify leads, handle chats, and even close sales. You just define their job, train them with real examples, and monitor their results. If you don't build AI systems, someone else will replace you with them. This may sound like a lot, but here's the truth. AI isn't taking jobs away, it's creating new ones for those who master it. If you've made it this far, it means AI is already part of your future. So start learning, start building, and start earning. The sooner you begin, the faster you'll grow. For full tools, guides, and resources, visit the website mentioned in the description, because the people who learn AI today will be the ones everyone works for tomorrow.